Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. I'm so sorry that it's been so long since I've uploaded a video. It's been like 3 weeks. I've missed you guys. I hope that you missed me too. I have been working again and traveling. Last week I was in Utah. I had an amazing experience. I got to work with some amazing people. I'll do a little slideshow of some photos of where I was. It was pretty incredible. I literally felt like I was on Mars. If you guys are looking for a socially distanced trip, Lake Powell is definitely a place that I would consider going. You can camp. I mean, it's a little bit cold right now, but maybe in like a month or so, you can camp, you can rent a houseboat. It is an amazing place. So that's where I've been. Before we get into today's look, please go down below and hit that subscribe button if you are not already subscribed, and hit the notification bell so you guys can keep up with all the new videos that I will be posting. I'm going back to my schedule. I will be posting at least once a week, I promise. You guys have my word on that. I'm sorry that I was slacking, but you know, I gotta make money. Okay, and now let's get into today's look. Today's makeup really was inspired by two people. One is Kourtney Kardashian because she just did a hot pink look for the new Skims campaign, and the other person is my friend Chel Loves Wine. She is a wine blogger. She also has a YouTube channel, and she also has a podcast called Babes and Booze. I'm gonna link all of her stuff down below because you guys have to check her out. But here's her Instagram and here's her YouTube. So you guys should definitely check her out. She's been in Miami for the entire month. She's been vlogging, blogging, posting, and she has been wearing hot pink eyeshadow, green eyeshadow, purple. She's really gone above and beyond with her Miami looks. So Chelsea, you inspired me to do this video. And you know what? I think I'm gonna start wearing pink eyeshadow. So if you guys wanna find out how to get this very easy look, keep on watching. So the first thing that I'm gonna be doing is putting my mic on so you guys can actually hear me properly. So for my base today, I'm going to be using this Collab No Flaws liquid color corrector. This is like a peachy pinky kind of color, and this is what I'm going to be putting all over my lid as a base. I'm so excited to do this look for you guys. I've been seeing so much color all over my Instagram, and it's been color that almost goes all the way up to the brow bone, which I'm really into. Most of the time, I feel like when people do color, they really just keep it focused on their lid and they don't let the color really show and be really bright. So I know that I've done a lot of pink on here, but I feel like those are more cranberry pink, so this is gonna be a brighter, more hot pink. So the palette that I'm gonna be using today is my Huda Beauty. This is the neon, I think this one is the pink palette. This is the pink. There's like an orange and a pink one, but they look really similar. So I'm going to be using this hot pink color to start out with first. So the picture that I'm actually using for my inspo is this one. This is Kourtney for a Skims campaign. She looks so pretty. I love the pink. It's so bright. So I'm gonna give it a shot. Let's see. With the fluffy brush, I blend the hot pink as my transition color into the crease. I think this is really great too for beginners because you don't have to worry about adding too much color. The look is supposed to be really exaggerated, a lot of heavy pink shadow in the crease on the brow bone. So I'm just applying this with the puffy brush. This is my Morphe M502 brush, and I'm just getting it in the crease and kind of blending it out, even past my brows. Now for the color I'm gonna be using on my lid, I'm gonna grab the same brush, is this top like light pink color, and I'm gonna pop this on my lid. There's so much pigment in these eyeshadows. They literally come on exactly how they look in the palette, which I love, but it also can be a little bit scary. But this is supposed to be an exaggerated look, so keep on adding. All right, I'm gonna dip back in that hot pink, the first color that I used, and just go right in the crease again. I have to go stay in a hotel tonight in like Westchester, New York, and I feel like they're gonna be like, where's the party at? I mean, I could take this off before I leave, but if I'm doing it, I might as well wear it out. Okay, so she looks like she has a little bit of purple on the ends. So there's a purple color in here. It doesn't look that purple from the camera, but it's actually pretty deep. So I'm just gonna do this on the ends with a flat brush. This brush is terrifying. This is like a 242 by MAC. I've had this brush since I'm like 18 years old. I think bold eyeshadow is so much fun. I feel like so many people are so afraid of it, but you know what? I'm not gonna be afraid anymore. Okay, and with that same brush, I'm just blending this out, the purple on the ends. This is just giving it a little bit of darkness on the ends, but it's not really changing the color too much. It looks really fun. You know what else is really fun? This around my face, maskne. It's never gonna go away. So for underneath my eyes, I'm gonna do the purple color, but I'm gonna do it closest to my lash line. And for this, I'm gonna be using this flat Morphe brush. This one is the M423. The reason I'm using this brush is because it's synthetic, so I know that it's gonna pick up exactly what I want and then deposit it exactly how I want it to look. Okay, and then with that same flat brush, I'm just gonna do a little bit of the pink on the outer corners. Smudge it out with my hand a little bit. So for my liner today, I'm gonna be using this Morphe pen. This is the felt tip liquid liner. I have not used this liner before, so this is the first time I'm using it. I went into the Morphe store and the girl had it on. It looks so pretty and so rich and black. So I'm gonna try it. Let's see if I can get the same look that she got. Ooh, it's really black. Okay, so this liner gets black really fast. It comes on really nice and smooth. It doesn't skip. I'm always nervous to try a liner out for the first time, especially doing it in front of you guys, because I don't know how this liner is gonna work. I could really mess it up. I mean, I've messed up my liner many a times on camera, as you guys have seen, but I just get nervous that I'm gonna ruin the whole look, especially because I really like this and it's so clean and so bright. So if my eyeliner was messed up, it could be ruined forever. There would be no coming back from it. Also, when I'm trying out a new eyeliner for the first time, I like to go in parts. So I like to see where I'm gonna struggle or where I'm gonna do okay with. So I went out with my line for the wing, then I did my lid, that was okay, and then the hardest part, which is always the cat eye, I'm gonna save for last because now I've gotten used to the liner. Okay, next I'm gonna connect the cat eye to this. So all I'm gonna do is draw a line and then just fill it in. Okay, so next I'm gonna do lashes. I'm gonna use just a little bit of the Sky High mascara. You guys, I have to tell you something. The hype on this mascara is real. I'm not putting a lot on because I'm gonna do lashes on top of this, but this mascara is so good. The only thing that I don't like about the mascara is it's not that easy to come off. I'm actually not sure if this is the waterproof one. No, this isn't the waterproof one. This is the regular one, which makes me very concerned what the waterproof is like because this is hard to get off. So I'm just so lazy at nighttime. Okay, let's see if I'm just gonna do a half or a full. Okay, this part's boring, so I'm gonna cut these and then pop them on and I'll be right back. So something that I love to keep handy is a fan, and I just kind of go like this after I put in my lashes just to get them really tacky, and then I'll just give them a little pinch. Now I'm gonna use the Sky High for the bottom mascara so you can see how big you can get these lashes. So I'm not going to talk through my whole foundation, but there is one thing that I wanted to try on camera. This is the JLo Beauty. This is called that Star Filter, and I think this is the Rose Gold. I'm pretty sure that this is the Rose Gold, but this is so good. It's so dope. It makes your skin so glowy. So I'm going to mix this with my foundation and apply this all over. And I'm going to be mixing it with my Pacifica foundation. This is the Alight Clean Foundation. This is oil-free, and this is in neutral medium. And after I apply this all over, I'm gonna go back in with that Star Filter and just kind of put it right on top to give myself a nice finish. All right, I'm gonna pop a little bit more of that Star Filter. I'm just gonna mix it on my hand and just kind of tap it on my cheeks. Look how pretty that is. It gives this like warm, rosy kind of glow almost. Just makes me look like I was out in the sun. All right, I'm gonna go concealer, contour, and we'll be back for lips. For my lip liner, I'm going to be using Honeymoon. This is a color by Morphe. If you guys haven't, you guys should totally check out Morphe lip liners. They are $4 and the quality of them are just like the MAC pencils. They're so good. They last for so long. And to be honest, I love a sharpener pencil. I just feel like you can get a really nice pointy tip and you can get a really great lip liner with them. And for my lipstick color, I'm going to be using Candy K. This is a liquid lipstick by Kylie Lip. I literally go to Ulta and I buy everything small now. I just have so much product and I feel like if it's tiny, I can try it out. And then if I don't like it, I didn't feel bad about spending the full amount. I want to give a little bit more of a contour to my lip, so I'm just grabbing my HUDA bronzer. Okay, and the last thing that I need, well, second to last thing, I need more bottom mascara. And I think that this look needs a gloss. So for my gloss, I'm going to be using, I think this is Pillow Talk. Pillow Talk by Charlotte Tilbury. Okay guys, that is it for today's look. I hope that you guys enjoyed this. I think for spring coming up, everybody can use a little bit of color in their life, especially now that the weather is getting warmer. We're still out here with masks on, but let your eyes do the talking. So if you guys like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you are not already subscribed, please subscribe to my channel and leave me a comment. Let me know if you guys like this video. If there's anything that you want to see or you want to learn, just write it down below and I will get back to you. Thank you guys for watching. See you on the next one.